Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Zoho CRM for property outreach sequences step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM login page. Enter your login credentials and click the login button. Once logged in, locate and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, find and select APIs to access the API management section. Click on Create Client to generate a new API client. Fill out the required fields, including the client name, homepage URL, and redirect URL. Select the client type based on your needs, usually server-based applications. Once completed, click Create to finalize your API. Make note of the generated client ID and client secret for future use. Next, navigate to the Modules section in Zoho CRM. Select the module where you want to create property outreach sequences. Create a new module if needed, and configure your fields according to your outreach requirements. Now, proceed to your email outreach tool, or whichever platform you will use for sending sequences. Locate the integration or API settings in that tool. Input the Zoho CRM API credentials you noted earlier. Authorize the connection between your email tool and Zoho CRM. Once connected, create an outreach sequence template that includes personalized elements. Set up triggers based on specific criteria in Zoho CRM for your outreach sequences. Test your outreach sequence by sending a sample email to ensure everything is working correctly. Monitor the performance of your outreach through your email tool's analytics. Adjust your outreach sequences based on the data collected. Periodically revisit your API connection to ensure it remains functional and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.